Hi there guys, welcome to Ilonggo Insider. And you know what, I'm here in my brother's place in Taguig City, and this is the first time I'm going to 19 East where Side A will be live. So we will check out their gig and I'll see you later guys. I will stick around. So we're here now at 19 East and we're going to go inside and see you there later.
Better half nila. Tungkol sa akin. Ayun. Meron mo tayo nag-anniversary tonight? Wala. Okay, yung malapit na yung mag-anniversary. Oo nga pala. Gusto kong batiin ni yung baby girl. Mahal na mahal na daw. Mahal na mahal mo rin ba si baby girl? Paano nila sigurado baby girl?
Yeah, I would also like to say hello to Jazz. Thank you for being here.
Alright.